thank you for joining me today. If you're new to my channel, hi, welcome to my lovely family, and good thing that you are here because today I have an exciting unboxing video to do, and it's going to be, as you've guessed it, it's going to be a perfume unboxing, so I can't wait to reveal that with you. The perfume I'm going to be unboxing today is Coco Noir, and I am actually new to this perfume. This is my first ever purchase for Coco Noir, and I normally wear Coco Mademoiselle, so this is a new fragrance I'll be adding to my collection, and I'm going to open it for you here. I'm going to unbox this for you. So, just love Chanel's packaging. It's just so beautiful. Oh my goodness, it's gorgeous. So that's the box there. So let's just unbox this here. So we've got the fragrance in here. I'm going to open up to reveal my beautiful perfume. Oh wow! That's so stunning. The little black dress, isn't it? This is so pretty. Oh, I just love it. Oh my gosh, so I'm so excited. So this is my new fragrance by Chanel, and this is Coco Noir. And like I said, it's the first time I'm actually going to be wearing this fragrance or buying it. This is the first time you're actually buying this fragrance, so this is new to my collection, totally new to my collection, and I'll just go through the notes with you. So in this perfume we have bergamot, rose, we have geranium, rose leaf, we have patchouli, and we also have tonka bean. So it's very similar to the original, well, to the Coco Mademoiselle. So I'm going to spray that here. Oh wow, it's so rich. There's a depth to this fragrance. It's like very deep. I want to say dark, but I feel like I'm being influenced by the bottle. It's like a deep, dark richness to this fragrance. It's somewhat elegant, but then I find this fragrance sort of bold and assertive. But there's a softness to it also. Oh, I really love this. It's gorgeous. It's very fresh. I can get the bergamot, the rose I can detect, and I'm not so sure about because we've got tonka bean in here, but I'm not sure if I'm detecting any sweetness from the tonka bean, unless it's like a deeper type of fragrance, but I can't detect like a sweetness from the tonka bean. But that's absolutely beautiful. I might just spray a little bit more. Gonna spray some more. It's like, oh yeah, oh that's beautiful. It's very fresh. I love that. It's sort of fresh and deep at the same time. So that's new to my collection, the Coco Noir. Now I'm trying to think, how would I wear this fragrance? So fragrance is something that's personal. Fragrance is, there's no rules to wearing fragrance, not so much, it's how it makes you feel. So yeah, oh my gosh, it's gorgeous. Like, I wouldn't describe this isn't a work perfume, it's not an office fragrance, it's not meeting your mother-in-law for tea fragrance, no. But I would say this could be definitely a date night fragrance. It's sort of sexy, seductive, there's deepness to it. Like I said, it's very sexy, dark, not chocolatey in the sense of sweetness, but it's just got that rich, bold scent, like a rich, bold scent. Date night again. Evening, nights out, an event perfume. I mean, yeah, you can wear, I mean, you can wear this in the day. It just depends on your personality. If you're the sort of person to wear richer fragrances in the day, then definitely this is perfect for you. Like I said, there's absolutely no rules. But for me, how I would wear this perfume personally, I would wear this. It's not to see the in-laws. No. It's not to wear to work. It's not to wear in the office. No. It's definitely sexy. This is like a date night perfume, evening fragrance, maybe if I'm going to an event. It's more like after hours. This is like my after hours, hence like the black dress my bottle is wearing. But this is definitely after hours sort of, yeah, out of office fragrance. It's lovely. I'm really happy with this purchase. It's very beautiful. I would definitely be wearing this out. Very nice dinners and events. I would wear this out to family gatherings, probably not so much. But this is a perfume that when you walk past someone, everyone's going to be wondering, who is that girl? This perfume is, if you want attention, yeah, this is you. If you want attention, this is you, because you're going to wear this fragrance and there's sort of like a warm depth to this perfume. This is like look at me without saying look at me fragrance. That's just a quick video for you all, but I hope that was helpful. And like I said, I noted down all the notes for you, and yeah, I'm excited to add this to my wardrobe. Yeah, I'm excited to add this to my fragrance collection. It's absolutely a stunning bottle. Absolutely love it. Thank you for watching my video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.